As for me and my house, we gonna get it together, alright? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Haley J here, and if you are new, welcome to the Beauty Babe Gang. Oh, it's not official until you click the subscribe button, so do that, and you know, I'm gonna just wait, you know, give you time. Okay, so like I said, welcome to the Beauty Babe Gang. We are lit, we are fun, and most of all, we look good at all times, okay? But today's video is just me showing y'all how I went from this to this, okay? It's just a cute, natural glam I decided to do. I didn't want to do too much, but I still wanted to have, you know, that beat face to go with this bomb wig, okay? So if you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and continue watching. So I got some new goodies that came in today from Sephora. Shout out to them. It's not sponsored or anything. I pay for it. We're not on that level yet, but we'll be getting there. Y'all, I'm excited about this because this face is about to be impeccable, okay? I see my little clip. Isn't that cute? Like, yes. Like, that's what I was going for. The hair needs to be fixed still, y'all, so we still tweaking her, so don't worry about that. We're talking about the face right now. Okay. So, let's look into this face. It's, Mario Badescu, I already sprayed it on my face. Now I'm going in my Too Faced Hangover Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Primer, y'all. Last time I got a facial, my esthetician told me that this is good for like texture, and I get like really fine bumps on the side of my face. You can't see it now. Oh, I shaved my face, by the way, so if I'm looking extra glowy today, that's the reason. Proper name for it is dermaplaning, but I'm not no professional, so let me see what the box say do, and I'm gonna do twice that. 1 to 2 pumps all over face and neck. Ooh. Ooh. And I'm gonna do a half. Oh. Oh. I just love how this feels on my skin. A little bit more because I feel like I need a little more. Pose for, I'm gonna pose for y'all real quick. Too Faced. Y'all did some of this, and it's so beautiful. Is this glass? I think this is glass. Oh yeah, I'm stepping it up. It says drench skin with moisture day and night with the supercharged replenishing serum that works in and out of bed to deliver the ultimate lit from within glow. And that's what I need. That's exactly what I need. So next, what we gonna do next? I'm debating if I want to go in with this Nivea Creme my girl Kason put me on, or the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. We're going with the Nivea today. We're gonna do Nivea. We're gonna try something new, you know? Y'all, when y'all doing y'all makeup, please, I beg you to take care of your skin first. If not, the makeup ain't gonna sit right, it ain't gonna look right, and don't say I didn't warn you. Y'all, my skin, like, so soft and supple. I wish I could feel this. I wish I could feel it on y'all skin, because I don't want nobody touching my face. Like, and don't let nobody be touching all on your face. I don't care who it is. Don't let nobody touch on your face. That's not cute. That's not where it's at. Anywho. So it's like anyways, I'm gonna do it because this is just my routine for this, the flawless based routine. If you ain't watched that, I'm gonna go ahead and link that up here. You should get into that to know, you know, exactly what I'm doing. I ain't gonna explain that because I already explained it in another video. So yeah, I'll speed through this and then we're gonna really get into the face. Morphe. They need to make bigger bottles bottles of this. Cause y'all not finna keep getting me for $12 every time. Y'all need to make a jumbo, because this stuff goes like crazy with me. This is my new fan. It's purple, my favorite color. How cute, right? Anywho, now it's time to go in with my primer. Look, like this packaging is beautiful. Like it has like this, what do you call this? What do you call this? It's like holographic. It's like that kind of situation, and it's so pretty. So, no, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get it ready. Get it ready. Oh, there you go. Yup, that's it. Got a little some of that on my hand, and I'm pat it in. Oh yeah, this sticky. Makeup is going where? Y'all see me looking over here in my mirror over here, okay? And I'm not gonna have my mirror in the shot because I just feel like that's so unprofessional. Y'all, this face, I just want y'all to be ready. Good, like I can go out like this and be killing the game. No Philly, no filter. Look at that. Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup in Cinnamon is what I'll be using today. It's not my shade, we know, but it's gonna be my shade today, okay? Don't try this at home, but it's like I feel like I need some of that action. You know, to kind of tone it down. See, that looks pretty. Like this looks right. Yes, I found it. It's beautiful. I would love it if everyone would stop it, like cut it out. I'm going with this because I want to do two concealers. I'm going to do multiple concealers. This is the hydrating camo concealer satin finish by e.l.f. I lied about that concealer. That e.l.f. concealer is actually in deep caramel, but I'll be listing all the products I'm using down below, so if I miss something, they'll be in the description box. And now I'm gonna just go in with my contour stick. This is the Black Radiance foundation stick in espresso, and she real chocolate because we snatching the face today. I don't know if y'all told y'all, but we're snatching the face today. I'm not doing like brows today. Like I'm just doing a little 1-2, you know. Yes, baby. We ain't coming to play around. We ain't coming to play around. We're not. Like, beauty babe status is like top tier. Like, if you're gonna be a part of the gang, if you're gonna be a part, you know, of the squad, you cannot play around. As for me and my house, we gonna get it together, all right? Anyways, time for my Jouer concealer. I use the shade Coffee. I was gonna get a brighter one, but you know, it's like, aren't the shades via the internet, it's just hard, and I'd rather not, so. Cute, this should have been my base concealer. Y'all already know how I do with the brows. I take an eyeshadow, of course. Any eyeshadow of your choice really is for me. Handy Dandy James Charles, and I use that one. That's all we're gonna do. For that, I'm gonna go in and try to blend out this concealer while I'm thinking about it. Juvia's Place in 13, yes, whatever that is. Okay, I'm gonna just take a dab of the Shape Tape. Y'all, my skin right now is cutting up. It's cutting up through the camera. When y'all have that base right, nobody can stop you. Do you understand me? Like, nobody can stop you. Nobody who can love you like me. Anyways, but for real. Who can lay your body down? Hey, nobody. Now that's in my head. I have some of this Mercier Translucent powder and some of this Fit Me loose powder, and I mix them together, and it just is perfect. I'm gonna just dust that away, cause see, it'll stay real fast, real quick. Okay. Go over it with this foundation brush to kind of blend it back down. See the difference? We're gonna use this bronzer by Black Radiance and Cafe. See what she looking like, and then put our blush on. Right.
Little.
Yoga.
Oh, I forgot. I'm starting word of the days now. Today's word of the day is neoteric, and it means recent in origin or modern. So how can we use it out in the sentence? I went to her house and it was very neoteric. It's a childish sentence, but that's all I can come up with. I'll do better next video, don't worry. Just know that's today's word of the day, neoteric. Blush. Didn't I get a blush recently? Let me think. Yes, I did. The Milani. It's right here in front of my face. I be tripping. I swear. I'm hungry. I think that's what it is. Gotta be. Lips, what do we want to do? It's definitely going to be a nude because y'all know that's all I do. The nude lips. I be doing this lip color now. Stop playing with your nail. I need to put some highlighter on. And the last thing I got from Sephora was the Urban Decay All Nighter Set for Baby. I got the biggest one they had, and this is bomb. Like, your makeup ain't going nowhere. Can you say Barbie? Can you say Barbie? But this is it for the makeup. go into hair, and then we're gonna be done with this video.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
So this is the finished look, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.